Here at the factory, thousands of bottles are sorted and processed every hour. They are then broken down and transferred.
Watch the left side. Okay, bring it down slowly.
We have to catch all the non-PET materials before they reach the shredder. Keep that stream clear.
This new washing system has really improved the quality of the flakes.
Absolutely, much cleaner output than before. The speed on these paddles is incredible. Look how clean they are.
Yes, the separation efficiency is much higher.
Zero contamination in this batch.
The data here shows the filtration rate is exceeding our projections. Yes, the recycling efficiency has improved significantly since the upgrade. Looks like the green output is stabilizing now.
Good, I'll make a note of the flow rate.
These graphs show a significant improvement in throughput since the update, and the contamination rejection rate is holding steady. It looks good.
the throughput on line 3. We're hitting peak efficiency for the recycled material.
And the consistency is holding steady across all spinnerets.
We need to adjust the speed on this section. We're falling behind target.
Okay, I'll recalibrate the settings now.
Our yield projection dropped slightly in the last hour. See the dip here? Yes, it correlates with the tension alarms we saw earlier.
The AI is currently analyzing the tuft bind. We are maintaining a 99.9% accuracy rate on this line.
Inspecting the texture reveals the true quality of these recycled fibers, showcasing remarkable weave density and color consistency.
Surface quality looks good, but the alignment here is slightly skewed. Agreed. I'll log the deviation on the tablet.
The durability metrics are exceeding our projections for the recycled fibers.
We still need to optimize the abrasion coating, and this sample shows early wear.
That new automated system is really speeding things up.
Yes, the data on the tablet confirms a 20% increase in efficiency.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. Watch the left side. Got it, clear.
I really love the colors in this carpet. And it's amazing that they're all recycled.
As the sun rises over the mountains, the recycled carpets make their way to the city, closing the loop on a vital resource.
It brings so much warmth to the space, doesn't it?
Maybe it's that. I really love what they've done with the recycled materials here.
Look how tall you made it! Oh no, it fell down!
Look at that throughput, well above target.
The new calibration is working perfectly. This is how we change the future.